In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a location name on Google Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to submit a clean, accurate change that Google can approve quickly. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com/maps. Give the page a moment to load. In the search bar at the top, type the name or address of the place you want to update. If you don't know the exact spelling, type what you have and let the suggestions help you refine it. You can also pan and zoom around the map to find the place manually if that's easier. Once you see the correct place on the map, click it to open its information card. This will show details like the current name, address, category, and photos. Take a second to confirm you've got the right spot. Check the nearby landmarks or the Street View preview so you don't edit the wrong place. Now, scroll down the place's info panel until you see the option labeled Suggest an Edit. Click that. This opens Google's editing interface for the place. Here, choose the option that lets you change the place details. This may appear as location or change name or other details, depending on your view. The goal is to reach the form where the place's core information can be updated. In the edit form, locate the name field and update it to the correct or preferred official name. Keep it clear and consistent with signage, a website, or public listings. If you see the address field highlighted for editing, make sure it's accurate as well. Correct formatting and consistent capitalization help reviewers verify your change. Brief, factual changes are more likely to be approved than stylistic ones. When everything looks right, click Submit. Your suggestion will be sent to Google for review. Most edits are checked automatically and sometimes by human moderators, so approval can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. You may be asked for a short reason or supporting detail. If prompted, mention a simple source like a website, storefront sign, or an official page. A few quick tips to speed approval. Make only the necessary change, avoid promotional text or emojis, and double-check spelling. If you're not signed in, sign into your Google account so you can track the edit's status. After submission, you might receive a notification or email updating you on the outcome. That's it. You've successfully suggested an updated location name on Google Maps.